Pane picture ari kutendera pasocial media ari kuonekwa nemukomana anzi Obed Ndlovu Mabaleka ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa his face aiwa iri similar aiwa kune mutungamiri wenyika yemasondamutso Mnangagwa. Ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa zvaanozikamwa ari panapa vanhu vari kuzviti aiwa zviri alleged zvinge ndizvo zvaiitiwa nemutungamiri wenyika during nguva yehondo. Sanambira mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa naCommunism aisi zvamuri kuona pachinzi Emerson dubious liberation war legacy and allegations of trickery. Don't forget subscribe or like button on the bell icon. Wambira nyora chiti the mystery of Corporal Obed Ndlovu Mabaleka. Why does this man resemble Emerson Mnangagwa? Vanenda mberi vachiti Corporal Mbaleka peak compared with Emerson Mnangagwa's face. Why does Corporal Mbaleka Ndlovu Mabaleka, a decorated sailor's scout operative during the Rhodesian Bush War, bear such an uncanny resemblance to Emerson Mnangagwa? Why does his age align so closely with the Mnangagwa scene? Could it be that their stories are intertwined in ways we are yet to fully uncover? And if so, what does this mean for our understanding of Zimbabwe's liberation history? Mbaleka was no ordinary soldier. As an infiltrator for the Rhodesian Sailor Scouts, he disguised himself as a freedom fighter, infiltrated guerrilla camps, and led unsuspecting comrades into deadly ambushes. He was celebrated for his cunning, awarded the Bronze Cross of Rhodesia for gallantry, and operated in a world of shadows and deception. But what if the skills he perfected, deceit, manipulation, and survival, mirror the traits of those who ultimately rise to power? Could this describe Mnangagwa himself? This story forces us to ask uncomfortable questions. Who were the real freedom fighters, and who merely played the part? Could the skills of sailor scouts like Mabaleka reflect the very foundation upon which Zimbabwe's leadership was built? The parallels between these two men demand answers, and the truth may change everything we thought we knew. Mashoko anobuda panapa vanhu vachingosara nemibvunzo isina maanswers vachiti aiwa sei vakomana ava ationa nyangwe nemakore avo ari padhuze napadhuze, maallegations acho ationa kuti akupomerwa pamwe chete nemutungamiri wenyika. Imoti dzemafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa muzimu aipenai comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu. Musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.